So let me officially welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time coming down here, this is the Masked Reactor, aka Naija Gangster. Yeah, that's right. And to my broskies and to my babes, I welcome y'all to another segment of the Masked Reactor, aka Naija Gangster. On God. And on this channel, like I always like to say, we do not like violence, but we do enjoy seeing violence. On God. So grab your popcorn, take a seat, and let's see how many people are about to get violated today. And as per usual, well, I am not with my popcorn again. I still got my fruit on here. We need vitamins. So let's go. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into this violence thing. Oh, my foot almost fell out. Okay. I will have
Final that
as
final
much.
that Hello. Yeah. How are you? What's your name on Instagram?
Lotus Born.
I can't hear you, baby.
Lotus Born 1.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm a personal perfume shopper. I
Okay.
also sell shoes and bags.
Okay, how old are you?
I'll be 24 August.
Okay.
23.
Someone just popped. I think that's too quick. Give her a chance to speak. Come on.
Plus, yeah.
All right. Okay, so only one guy popped his balloon for you, meaning 9 guys are feeling you, which is a good thing. So let's reach out to the guy who popped his balloon. Abbas. Okay, please come. Stand here. Here you go, sir.
Yeah,
You're the first guy to pop your balloon. Why did you pop your balloon, sir?
she actually looked beautiful. You are actually beautiful, I must say.
Thank you.
And the reason why I popped my balloon was because your confidence. When you came in, you're scared to face the men. So I just felt this one is not for me. So that's why I popped it. Yeah.
You like a lady that's very confident?
Yeah, of course.
I'm not confident. And how do you know?
Merely looking at you, you're fidgeting, like you're even
I'm
sweating.
fidgeting. I'm sweating.
Look at it.
Okay.
Shows.
I just feel
So
you're
that's
dumb.
the reason.
I just feel you're dumb.
You
That's
don't
all.
have the confidence, you need to go learn it.
I just feel you're dumb.
You
That's
need to learn
you're
how
just
to have
dumb.
confidence.
You're just dumb.
You don't have
If,
confidence.
looking at
I don't date you.
Wait. The violence came so early on this one. Came really quick. I can't complain. Can't complain.
Date you. I can't.
I'm not saying you.
I can't date you.
That's why I popped my balloon
Okay,
at first. I was
okay.
the first.
looking at him, he's not your spec.
Who is
I was
this?
the first to pop the balloon.
What is
because
cheap Crocs?
You are looking like what rat ate and vomit. Do you understand?
Really? Can you see yourself?
These Crocs can buy your hair.
Okay.
I don't know.
How much is worth of your
What
Crocs?
is your Croc?
These Crocs can buy your hair. I bought this Crocs 150K.
You're very stupid.
You must be out of
I bought
your
this hair.
mind.
This is Eba Omo. Check out on Instagram.
So-
This is 395,000. Are you dumb?
And that's a lie.
And this Croc is not up to 100 and something. You're dumb. Use that money to help yourself. Look at you. Look at your cheap jacket.
the next person I can
Please.
talk to you. Thank
It's
you.
not even worth it. Let's get
Okay. Okay. Wow. You say
That was
what?
hard.
Say
I'm sure he doesn't even have a car. Please.
okay, let's go to him, sir. Please come. You came here for what?
Keke.
What did you come here with, sir?
I ordered a boat.
You see, it looks like it's careless.
Of course, it's not something that if I want to get
because you know,
I'll
what,
get it.
if you have money, you have
You
one.
need
I
to
think
sort
so.
out your confidence first.
Okay. I do not want to be an official. I do not want to officiate which basketballs or which violence is fire than the other. But damn, she's just going after him, calling him broke and that. But why do you always gotta broke shit? But the guy, anyways, your mouth too much. Your mouth too much.
You
Fuck on
don't
me.
have anything to say to
Did you see your other
me.
girls, how they feel?
What girls?
What they feel like?
What
You came here,
girls?
You're projecting like you're
Projecting
scared of-
how?
You're scared of facing crowd.
Crowd, okay.
You're already sweating. You're ruining your makeup already.
How?
That's
You're
that's why
sweating
I
also.
popped
Look
my
at your
balloon.
face.
Honey, look at me.
Look at your face.
Look at me.
You're
I'm not wearing
sweating.
makeup, but your makeup is about.
Nah. Bro is losing right now. Bro is losing. Lotus Bon One, what her name is, she's winning, bro. Bro is losing, bro. What are you saying? She's not confident. Look at how she's staring deep in your eyes, man. And she's fine, though. She's fine. Don't even. She's a speck.
About to shift.
How? Look at your face.
Your makeup is about to shift.
Please zoom
Move to
into
the
his
next
face.
person.
Zoom.
I can't handle
Zoom.
it.
Bro, I am so sorry. I didn't do you like this. They did. So I'm like a pawn in this. Like they. Yeah, bro. It's
Into
actually
his face.
sweating.
Please,
Move to the next person.
please
Sorry.
continue your bleaching cream, I beg.
Wait, please come this side. You say you own a car. What car are you driving?
I'm driving a 2012 Passat
Can I see?
Volkswagen.
Who got it for you, please?
Myself, are you dumb?
Hey,
Are you dumb?
I can't.
Let me
I
see
can't
your
deal
peace
with
luxury. Are you stupid?
I can't
Check
do
me
that.
out on
Move to the
Instagram. I have a
next person.
freaking
Thank
website.
you.
You're dumb.
Yo.
hey.
Please, you don't have anything. I'm sure he doesn't have a job. I can
Are you
employ you.
cool?
The driver.
Please stay here.
fit you
Just
well.
in case you know, I'm the
A driver will fit
CEO
you
to
well.
Abbas
30K
Women.
with accommodation.
And you can't even be
with
my model. You're not
accommodation.
even up to the models
With
I use.
accommodation. With accommodation.
You can't
30K
even
is a
wear my
fair
outfit
deal.
because
Fair
I'm worth
deal.
it. Do you
Fair
understand?
deal. So you can
You are
continue.
not
Your face is
among
lighter
the
than your
people.
fingers. Look
You
at
are
your
not
hands.
among the people that
Look at
wear
your
my
hands. Your
outfit.
face is
Do you
lighter than your
understand?
fingers.
That's the problem.
Your face is lighter than your
makeup is
fingers.
already about to get ruined
Okay, no
because
problem. But
of
you're
sweat.
sweating like me. You're
Look at you
insulting
sweating
me.
and you're
How?
shaking. Look at
How am I
your chest.
shaking?
Just move to the next person.
Please, he
Thank
has
you.
nothing to say.
Next time you work on your skirts, please.
Okay.
And now it's a sketch.
You're dumb. This is Zara.
Thank you.
This is Zara.
Thank you.
This is Zara.
Thank you.
Check it
Introduce
out.
yourself.
All right, chill. Listen, just because it's Zara doesn't mean like it's expensive. Because I know Zara got like they do what is it called? Is it Bonanza? So they do like they have like a time of the year where they like sell out stuff. So because it's from Zara doesn't mean like it's expensive. I'm just gonna put that out there. You feel me? But she's winning. She's flaming bro's ass. Where's my light? She's flaming bro's ass.
What's your name on
Shush.
Instagram?
My name is Abbas, the CEO to Abbas Women and Abbas Men on Instagram. I'm a fashion designer and I'm also a fashion stylist.
And you combine this coming to a love show.
I can see it in YouTube.
This is Zara. This is Pretty Little Thing.
It's fine.
And this is Ego Officials. So what are you saying? Stop playing.
Makeup is very cheap.
Okay, no problem.
So it doesn't get
You're
scared.
sweating, so I think you need more. You need a fan. Face it directly to him.
Girl, my name is Ruby underscore Michael on IG. I liked her the moment she walked in. But the instant she made mention of Brad with a car, it's a no-no for me.
So do you have a car?
Bro, but she just asked him. I was gonna say, okay, bro doesn't have a car. That's bro doesn't have a car. That's the reason. Why he's gonna say that? And she, nah, the host is mean, bro. The host mean. Well, the first question that came out of her mouth, bro, do you have a car?
Brad with a car, it's a no-no for me.
So do you have a car?
And the car you are with, you borrowed that car. I think you went
Borrow that
to
car.
rent the car. You
This
rent
guy
that
is
car, so
dumb.
you understand?
I bought my car from
It's a
Z
lie.
Autos. I bought my car from Z Autos.
It's a lie.
I
It's a lie.
bought it from Z
You
Autos.
rented that car.
That's 4.3 million.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Can
You
you
can
imagine
check him on
yourself?
Instagram,
Can
Z
you imagine
Autos.
yourself? You're
Z
telling me
Autos
I'm
is
talking
his
to
name. He's on
your
Instagram.
man. That
I bought
guy,
it.
You know the guy. Let me
Can
tell
we go
you
to
something.
the next person?
Because of your pride, that's you can see
Don't worry.
everything about his fake.
Okay.
Understand? Because
No
of your private about his fake.
Okay.
Understand? So
Look
stop
at what you're wearing. Look at your
bragging.
shoe. Peru. Please.
I beg you, see. Now, original music, come check out.
I beg.
How much is the worth of your shoe? Please come.
Come check out.
How much is the worth of your shoe?
For bicycle. This shoe is now 200K.
About
Understand?
this product, this one you're wearing.
Can you imagine?
Are they aware of the copyright?
See, look at it.
The copyright. I'm sure LV has never
Look at
seen
it. See
this.
this
LV
one.
has never seen this shoe before.
Ide Jones.
LV has never seen this shoe before.
You did John, see shoes.
It's the super for me on God. Super.
You look
Please,
am,
that's
look am.
copyright,
You
please.
want to start sleep.
Please,
Just stand here, baby.
They follow me
Hi.
She's pretty.
Oh, you not pop your balloon.
Pretty.
Okay.
But this shoe is not 200. LV does not sell shoe for 200K.
How much they sell it?
LV does not sell shoe.
I said they don't know of this shoe. It's a copyright.
See, in my in my language, they say, "Oh, no, God, I say, Vadoria." Why, broski? Why would you do that, bro? Why would you flame me?
1 million.
Look at his watch.
Ah,
Look at
which-
you.
which
Are
side
you
of
even? Is
you?
anything on your body gold? At least I'm wearing gold.
Yeah.
Is anything on your body gold? Are you fucking playing? What is this? You look cheap. Look at his cap. 2-piece. What is this? Who sold this 2-piece for you? They're wicked. Oh, please. You don't have anything to say. You don't have anything to say. You came in. Look at what you look. You don't have anything on your body. Okay, show me one thing on your body that is gold. Please.
Okay, what's
His skin is gold though. Like if a black skin, if you go outside in the sun, it's gold. Like it's gold for real now. If you didn't know, now you know.
in your body that's good? Let me
This
tell
is
you something.
gold.
You see this
This is
cloth
gold.
I'm putting on there. Let me tell you. Let's be realistic. This cloth I'm putting on will pay your house rent for 2
Oh,
years.
wow. How much is your rent? You know you're just can't pay my rent. You're just capping. Just
How much is worth of your outfit, sir?
Yeah.
The worth of my outfit is 150K.
150 and you pay my rent, but I live in Lekki. You're dumb. I live in Agege. This guy has nothing to say. I live in Agege now. You don't know me.
Like you are one of those girls that come from.
Okay, I'm one off. Okay, you're not exaggerating. I'm one off. I'm one off. Oh wow. I'm one off and I drive this kind of cab. I'm doing woke up and I live in
You
Agege.
borrowed this car to this place to.
That's why I said it's the autos I bought it from. I'm sure he's going to watch this and he's going to come out. I bought it from him.
Okay,
Period.
fine, no problem. We'll
Next
wait.
person,
We
this
are
man. Don't perceive his order from here, please.
Jesus, my brain one blow.
Shuperu. Like I said, Shuperu. So please.
Sorry, what do you say is your name again?
My name is Lotus.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a perfume shopper.
You stay in Lekki, right?
Yes.
Well, actually, your black is beautiful. I can't deal with a girl like you.
Why can't you date a girl like her?
There are many times, like a lot. I can't trust her. One.
What?
I want to be alone, like the way she walk in, and even if I want to have a second thought on her, but the way she spoke, and you are looking for a man. You are. I don't even manage you. Deep down on one side.
See who is talking. See who is talking. Let me see your bag, please.
Listen, yeah, to be honest, I just feel some of the guys here, they feel intimidated. I won't even lie. Some of the guys here, they feel very, very intimidated. And I kind of want to say I don't know why, but I mean, I'm thinking I know why. Or every guy is different, but I just feel they are like intimidated. She's fine. She got the X factor in that. And her mouth is sharp, bro. Like she's not even playing with these guys.
Yeah,
She's
no.
serving
Let me see.
What's the name of the bag, sir?
See, the bag doesn't have any
Oh,
name.
you don't even have a name
guy.
yourself.
See,
Please, you don't have a name.
me,
Please, this guy is talking rubbish.
see,
Please.
I've-
You have nothing to say.
guy,
Let other reasonable people talk. You don't look at your hair. Look at your hair. What's this? Those bead of 50 naira. Look at that's what they say in the market. Only market. It's 50 naira. Look at it. Look at it. This is 50 naira beads. Should we price it in the market? This is 50 naira beads. Which light? You said my color is beautiful. So what are you saying now?
Wait till you came in.
Yes.
You just beautiful outside. You're not beautiful inside.
Okay, I'm not beautiful inside.
Yes, you are
You enter
not.
inside
You're
my
not
body
beautiful
now to see.
inside. You know, qualify for.
Your bag is nameless. You're nameless. Look at your face.
Forget.
So this thing. I beg. Let's go to the next person.
I like
So
this.
we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 guys have not popped their balloon, meaning they are feeling you. Okay. They have what?
They're okay
They have
too,
sense,
yeah.
Abi, child. Okay, can I have your pin?
She don't deserve my pin.
Please, can I have your pin? You're going to pop 4 pins, 4 balloons, leaving 1. The one you are feeling, you want to go home with. Leave that one, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Pop. If you don't like any all of them, pop everything.
Okay.
guy has his own balloon.
Okay. She's definitely picking this guy right here. She's picking this one right here. Don't ask me how I know, but I know. It's the masked psychic, innit?
Like you.
I left with 2 guys now. You like the 2? You're confused? We won't ask them anything.
Oh, he like that one too.
Okay.
I
So,
see
sir,
this.
please come. Woo! Okay, let's go forward. Okay. Here you go, sir. Sir, please introduce yourself.
My name is Big Alvin 112.
Okay.
Instagram.
What do you do?
I'm a car dealer and I'm also into real estate.
Okay. So, she said, I thank you. Okay, so, sir, are you feeling her?
Yeah, she's beautiful and everything.
Eh?
She's beautiful, yes.
And are you feeling him?
Yes, he has a good style sense.
Dress sense, I mean.
Yeah.
And what else again? And then he is a car dealer.
Yes, now so he knows the worth of my car. Period.
Hey, come on now. So is a yes from you and
What the hell just happened, bro? What? Oh. Wait,
review
what?
yourself.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm guessing she found a match. I don't. Was that how it ended? Is that how it's supposed to end? Cool. Okay. But yeah, anyways, I guess she found the man of her dreams. And there was some good violence in this series, on this one, compared to the last one we reacted to. So this one was dope. I liked it. I like the energy. But where are the damn comments? Because I always like to read comment, no? Let's go check out some comments, bro. Let's go check out some comments. Who else paused to laugh when she said Shuperu? Yeah, that was funny. I love you come to this show without tools. What tools are you talking about, brother? Do you mean? You know what? Actually, if I was to come to this show yet, I know what tools. The top key, first of all, right? I mean, I don't really wear like wristwatches and stuff, but for this show, nah. I mean, yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? And the shoes, bruh. Nike, Jordans, whatever, just like look good. Yeah, those are like the kind of tools that I will be using for this show because the girls on this show, their mouth is like scissors, bruh. Sisterhood is proud of you, Okomi. I thought Okomi was supposed to be my husband. Are you serious? She talks like Bella in BBN. This girl is giving me energy. I beg. Violence. I love it. I really love this girl. I like her too. The guys felt intimidated by the girl. That's just it. Yeah, some of them did. Some of them did. But this is the kind of violence come. This is why we are here. Look at this. This is why we are here. Violence on God. I found my role model. Finally, a girl that is doing doing. That's your role model. Okay. On behalf of every ladies, we see you. And she will get. Nah, she will get clouds after this. She will get clouds after this. Oh God! All right, man. Thanks for checking this video out with me. I hope to see you all on the next video. And as per usual, please like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend about the Nigerian gangster. Tell a friend about this page because I know Nigerians. I know we like violence. So like, come on now. So let's bring ourselves here on this channel and let's deal with violence and everything. Tell me, send me stuff you want me to react to. On my Insta, on my IG, Masked Reactor, on my TikTok, the Masked Reactor. So yeah, let's see how we can grow this channel together, man. And yeah, hope to see you on the other video. So thank you and goodbye. Yeah, yeah. Oh, we.